This video is intended to show you how to change the due dates for Mymathlab assignments. The course shells that I've set up, I set up in the fall, and we've had now 4 terms since then. So it's necessary to go back in and change the due dates for the different assignments according to whichever term you're teaching. So I sent you guys a course code, and when you copy the course, you're going to go up here to create and copy and put in the course ID that I gave you as far under the copy. So when you go in here, you go to copy a course, and then it's copy another instructor's course, and here you'll enter the ID that I gave you. Once that happens, your course should pop up here. You're going to need to change the due dates of the assignments again, depending on how you're teaching the class, when you're going to have the homeworks due. I strongly discourage people from having all of the homeworks due at the end of the course. I've noticed that some instructors do have this, but for the most part, it doesn't work out in the best interest of most students, because we see a lot of students in the math lab who haven't done any homework and come in on the last week and try to do all 7 assignments. So if you can try to break up the due dates, that would be really helpful. When you go into a course, you notice there's a new layout. All of the tools that were under control panel before are going to be located under course tools, and you can see we have assignment manager. So if you click on that, this is now going to take you to that screen where you had all of your due dates. So what you want to do is to change the due dates of these, you go to settings per class, and for this homework 1, you can then change when this due date is. So this term starts on March 4th, and so if you want to have your homeworks due each week, you start date on the 4th, end date on the 10th. I'm not really sure why this is set to 7:06 p.m., but you can adjust that to any time that you want. And then again, if this indicate and lock all correct answer is not checked, you might want to check that one. Just make sure the assignments all have the correct information filled in, and then you click save and assign, and then you can see that now the new dates are in there. So you're just going to have to go through and do that for these 7 assignments. If you're teaching an online section, you've also got to do it for the quizzes as well. If you're teaching a face-to-face section, and especially in the 070 class, you want to move some of your quizzes online, send me an email and let me know, and I can send you a video of how to develop those. So hopefully this clears things up. You're going to have to go in and change these dates. So if you have any questions or problems, do not hesitate to contact me.